Hello guys, how are you? In this video I'm going to show you how you can make bootable USB to install Ubuntu. First we will go to the Google and we'll search Ubuntu download. Click on first link. This latest version of Ubuntu 20.04. Click here to download. It is around 2.6 GB. To save time, I already download previous version of Ubuntu, so I will cancel it. Then next thing is we have to download Rufus. Rufus has downloaded. Now we are going to plug USB. USB is empty, but we will format, so if any virus or any bad thing is inside, so it will clean. Now we will go to download folder. Here you can see I have Rufus and Ubuntu. So what I have to do, open the Rufus, then click on yes, click on yes. Here click on Slack Ubuntu, click on open, and MBR partition BIOS UFI, it already has selected USB automatically. Now click on start, click on yes, click on OK, click on OK. Guys, our bootable USB has ready. Now we can plug in to the laptop and install Ubuntu. If you didn't see, I have write in description how to install Ubuntu in previous video. Hope so guys you have learned this technique. Like my video, share with your friends. and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.